Hey Siri, Notion voice notes.
What's the text?
Remind me to eat dinner at 6 p.m. today.
Task has been added to Notion.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna show you how to do exactly what you just saw, which is how to use Siri to take voice notes completely hands-free and then put it into Notion. And we'll be using the Shortcuts app already available pre-installed in all your iPhone devices. It is very convenient, and I usually take notes while driving or even when cooking and my hands are completely tied up, so I just do and it will take notes for me. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and it is also really simple. Alright, here we have our iPhone. So first of all, we need to download Notion if you do not have that yet. So very easily, go to your app store and search for Notion. So this is the Notion app. There are a lot of tutorials out there about Notion, and my opinion, it is one of the greatest tools for note-taking. Once you have your Notion, just open your Notion app. Alright, so we need to create a database. So we click on this plus icon and then scroll down until we see a database. So just create any database view. So just click on table view, for example. You can link to existing database, or I can just create a new empty database. So let's just name our database first. So our database will be, and then just click on add property on status. So this status, you can also edit its property and see, so the default is not started, or you can change to unprocessed or anything, but it's okay. So once we have this database, now we can add our task into it. So just make sure that you remember your database name, which is task voice notes. Now go back to your home page and then just search up shortcuts. So this Shortcuts app is already pre-installed in your iPhone, unless you deleted it. But if you deleted it, just download it again and just open it. So once you have this shortcut, it is an amazing tool to create all sorts of automation, activating voice notes, or even a bit of programming, like when you reach home, do some sort of stuff. It is really useful. So what you're gonna do first here is to create a shortcut. So just click on the plus icon at the top right hand corner here, and then as you can see, this is our new shortcut, and then you can program it. The programming is really simple. What we're gonna do is search for a detect text action. So click on this detect text action, and this is how it's going to ask you for your voice input. So once you have this detect text, and you can set its language or stop listening, whether you want on tap or after shortcut, and also choose all sorts of languages. Next, you want to go search actions again, go to Notion, click on Notion, and these are all the actions that you can use using Notion. So what we're gonna use is this create document without opening. So create a page with title and body. So what we're gonna do, since we do not have a body yet, we just click on title, and this title is going to be what you said, which is detect text. So click on it, and as you can see, the default is detected text, which is linked to this detect text. Otherwise, you can just select another variable available. So just click on detected text, and it should automatically create a page with this text that you have created using your voice, and which database. So you remember the database that we just created. When you select your database, if you don't see it here, just manually find your database. Just search it up, voice database, for example. So this is my database that I just created. So just click on task voice notes, and then that's it. But if you want to enhance it, you can also add an extra action called speak text. If I come here to the speak text, I will just delete the text, and then I'll just say like, so you can choose your voices as well. I'll just choose the default one. Oh, one last thing, remember, it's very important to actually rename your shortcuts, because that is how you're going to activate using Siri. So for example, I usually like to start with Notion first, the app, and then voice, let's say voice task, not to just confuse with my current one. So just voice note task, and then you can also choose your icon to anything you want. Let's say I want to choose task. Oh, never mind. notes. Yeah, maybe just like this, easy. Then you can identify it. And yeah, this is it. And one more thing, by default, Siri sometimes doesn't speak much. You need to manually turn on Siri so that it actually speaks. So just go to your settings, go to Siri, and then go to Siri voice. You can choose your voice, or you can just go to Siri responses right here, and usually I just click on prefer spoken responses. So I usually just activate prefer spoken responses and also show requests. So that way I can actually see what I am writing to Siri. So yeah, there you go. So yeah, there you go. Right now let's try this shortcut. So you can test it by just clicking on it, or for me I want to test it using. So just now I was screen recording, so I can't actually show you how it works with Siri because it automatically blocks off. So now let me show you how it works in real time, hands-free, using Siri. So here is my phone and I'm recording here right now. For example, I want to say, hey Siri, Notion voice task.
What's the text?
Please remind me to eat dinner at 6 p.m.
Task has been added to Notion.
Yep, that's it. So just say thank you.
Okay.
So yeah, if you refresh your voice database, you can see that this is the one that is in your database that I just spoken. So yeah, this is it. Very simple. I always use this feature to record my ideas, the tasks that I need to do later while driving or even while cooking. You can definitely also easily add this feature, this shortcut to your back tab. For example, double tap and then it will activate. So yeah, you can use it and customize all you want. Make sure to comment down if you have any other automation you want me to try, or you have any questions or problems. If you find this useful, make sure to like and subscribe and recommend this video to your friends. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.